Here's how to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and crypto on the Robinhood app. Open the Robinhood app and tap the search button. Enter the name or ticker of the stock or ETF you want to buy, then select it from the results. On the assets page, tap Trade, then choose Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest. Robinhood supports fractional shares for eligible stocks and ETFs, so you can buy based on a dollar amount instead of purchasing a full share. Review the order details, then swipe to submit your order. To sell a stock or ETF, return to your main dashboard and select the asset from your holdings. Tap Trade, then Sell. Enter the amount you want to sell, review the order, and swipe to submit it. For crypto, tap the Crypto section and select the cryptocurrency you want to trade. Tap Buy, enter the dollar amount, review the transaction, and swipe to submit. If required, complete any agreement or acknowledgement before placing your first crypto order. To sell crypto, open the cryptocurrency from your holdings, tap Sell, enter the amount, review the details, and swipe to submit. The process is similar across stocks, ETFs, and crypto, but crypto transactions can include a spread. That's all for this video. Thanks.